to study the flow of current through various liquid samples.
Madam, please explain the phenomenon of the flow of electric current through various liquid samples.
Molten metal and mercury, a liquid metal, conduct electricity. The current through them is constituted by the flow of electrons. Other liquids conduct electricity because they have ions. The ions are free to move about in an electrolyte. When a voltage is applied across electrodes placed in the electrolyte, the ions start moving. The positive ions move towards the cathode, negative electrode, and the negative ions move towards the anode, positive electrode. Their flow constitutes a current through the electrolyte. This is how liquids that have ions, such as acids and solutions of salts and bases, conduct electricity. When an ionic compound melts, it breaks up into ions, which flow when a voltage is applied. So, molten ionic compounds are also electrolytes and conduct electricity. Let's perform an experiment to study the flow of current through various liquid samples. The materials required are a beaker, 2 graphite rods, a torch bulb, a battery, copper wires, a switch, different liquid samples such as lemon juice, distilled water, kerosene oil, common salt solution, and tap water. Procedure: fill the beaker with enough salt solution. Place the graphite rods in it. Connect the graphite rods to the open switch and the battery, as shown in the given figure. Also connect a torch bulb in the circuit thus formed. Keep the setup undisturbed for 15 to 20 minutes. Switch on, close the circuit and observe whether the bulb glows. Replace the steps 1 to 5 with the other liquid samples like lemon juice, tap water, distilled water, and kerosene oil. Record your observations in the table. Observations: the bulb glows, which indicates the flow of current through the electrolyte. Record your findings in the following table. Liquid sample: bulb glows, the bulb does not glow. Common salt solution: lemon juice, tap water, distilled water, kerosene oil. Result: the current flows through the given liquid samples except kerosene oil and distilled water. Do's: keep your hands dry while conducting the experiment. Use a 1.5 volt battery. Don'ts: do not spill out the solution from the beaker. Do not leave any connection loose in the whole setup.
Thank you, madam. This experiment has made the concept very easy to understand.